Hi, today we're going to help Elgar with his spaceship. Exciting! This episode is about counting by making quantities. In the first question, I need to manually create the quantity specified, so 5 screws. I already have 1. I can start adding. 2, 3, 4, 5. The child can use their forward counting skills to create the quantity, and I'll just double check my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great! Okay, now we need 6 springs, and he already has 3. Note that this time I don't see the springs that he has. The manipulatives are gradually removed, and it gets a little bit less concrete. So I know I have 3. I will add 4, 5, 6. This seeds ahead to subtraction. What is 6 minus 3? Okay, let's move on. Okay, we need 8 bulbs, so how many more? I understand I already have some. Here they are. Now let's make a mistake. The bulbs are highlighted, and the number as well. Let's get it wrong again. Oh, this time it counts them for me, so I don't have to remember the 5. Okay, one last time. Look at that. Since children often learn to count with their fingers, this scaffolding addresses their early stages of learning, reminding them that any strategy can be valuable.
We need 10
For the final question, I can use what I just saw in this wrong answer sequence. What should I add to 3 to make 10? I can count on my fingers now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. 7. Spaceship ready. Want to see what happens? Check it out for yourself.